Good morning, Shangam second grade readers. Today is Thursday, May 28th. Excuse me. I would like to wish a very happy birthday to Vanessa in my class and to anybody else who might be celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday to you. So yesterday we talked about fables. What is a fable? A fable is a short story that has usually only 2 or 3 characters, and it always teaches a lesson or has a moral at the end of the story. Today you're going to be filling out that same form again, but I'm going to read you a different fable. But this time today, what I would like you to do is I would like you to take the moral of the story and try and put it into your own words instead of just copying what the author has adapted as the moral of the story. I want you to think about what that moral is. What is that lesson? And try and put that into your own words today, okay? So without further ado, let's go to today's fable. And here it is. It's called The Lion and the Mouse, again adapted by Shannon Eric Denton. One day, a bored mouse was watching a sleeping lion. The mouse decided it would be fun to surf down the lion. So the mouse slid down the lion's leg. Suddenly, the lion woke up and saw the mouse. The lion caught the mouse with his paw. "Please, please let me go," the mouse begged. "I'll do anything to pay you back," the mouse cried. The lion found the mouse's begging funny. "Okay, you may go," the lion said. That afternoon, the lion continued on his way. He was soon trapped in a hunter's net. The lion roared his anger, and the mouse heard him. The mouse chewed through the ropes and freed the lion. The lion was surprised the mouse had freed him. Together, the lion and his new friend walked away. The moral of the story is, little friends may prove to be great friends. So again, I want you to take that moral, little friends may prove to be great friends, and think about what it really means. And today, when you fill out that sheet, tell us what the moral of the story means to you. All right? Have a great day, guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye. Disappear.